Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Got the new T5R here, folks. I know y'all can hear those cicadas. Picked up some Continental, Contact, Sports, SRS's, Sport Plus technology. About to go get these mounted on the new Volvo. Here's the spare tire that I'm going to put on Panther while I take the tire that is on there with the screw in it to get fixed. However, I put bigger brakes on the front of Panther, so I'm going to have to take this front tire off, move it to the back. Then I'm going to have to put the spare on the back because it won't fit on the front. The only code it found was a 705 code. I cleared transmission related. I cleared it and it still has to check it. Made it up to Nordic Motors with these crappy tires, man. Look at those cracks and stuff in these tires. Horrible. And there she is, folks. The T5R.
Who put the tires on?
Discount.
Okay.
And cracks all over these things. Do. Oh, it's got a tailpipe on it, at least. I got a Nissan's radiator. Nordic says put any kind of radiator on your car except for the Nissans. But they're available. They're easy to get because nobody wants them. I think that's what's on Panther now. They said they have a lot of mixing issues with that. Look at that 960 wagon over there. Made it up to Discount Tires with the new wagon. Man, this guy claims these Continentals are going to be nice. One thing I noticed was this little chart behind me. Let me show you this real quick. Know your tire numbers. I guess they're going to quiz me on this later. So it looks like new tire tread depth is 11/32. Normal stopping distance, wet, 160 feet. For every 32nd of an inch you lose tread as your tires wear, they claim your stopping distance increases. What's that 9.7 mean? I don't know. It's got 2 stars on it. But as your tires age, the problems with your tires increase. Man, I seen the guy today, his tires were 3 years old. Oh, that might be Byron's car. And those tires are crap. But anyway, you buy a good quality tire, and they might last 6 years. After 6 years, those things are risk. Tread separation, sidewall bulging, other problems. Man, I'm afraid to drive on tires like that. But anyway, back to your tread depth. As you get down to 4/32, that's when it's time to replace those. You get down to where they're bald, doubles your stopping distance, 9.7 to 18.3. It's crazy. I'm gonna ask that guy what this double asterisk means. So this double asterisk is car lengths. So when you got new tires, I don't know what speed this is, but wet stopping distance could be 9.7 car lengths. At that same speed, you're looking at 18 car lengths to stop. So you definitely don't want to run old tires, man. And that's the same goes for these people that get these used tires and get all excited because they got tread on them. You know, when these tires get old tread, 6 years old, you start getting in the risk of those things happening. So, man, just if you want to bite the bullet on something, bite the bullet on tires. And there's a tire depth gauge if you ever want to get one of those. They're pretty cheap, a couple bucks. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.